Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Foodpanda how to remove payment method. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to remove payment method in Foodpanda application, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Foodpanda app. The ones inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. The ones logged in, on the bottom right corner of your screen you'll be finding the account option. Simply select that. The once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the Panda Pay option right here, and once inside, you'll find the saved payment methods right on the bottom. Now all you gotta do is, here you should see your saved cards or payment option listed. Simply tap card or payment method you want to remove. Then once done, look for remove or delete cross icon and simply tap it to delete the card. Then once done, all you gotta do is confirm your box, and if the option shows up like that, it removes the card from your Foodpanda wallet. If you don't see a remove button, sometimes the app doesn't show a delete option, especially if the card is set up default or active payment, it's linked to a current order subscription. The app version doesn't expose removable controls. So what you can do is simply head over back and open up the App Store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Foodpanda. Then once done, all you gotta do is tap on the app and then simply tap on the update option if available and try updating to the newer version, which often lets you manage safe payments info more easily. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful and see you soon on the next one.